All right, so as I said, okay, so I made this staple, and if I push N and bring my dimensions back up, we'll see that this is almost a meter in size. So I want to rescale that, and to do it accurately, one of the things I want to do is get the actual measurements, the units of measurements, correct. So I'm going to go to my scene properties, and there's units as an option. I'm going to leave it on metric, but I'm simply going to change the length from meters to centimeters. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to push S to scale this down and get her down to maybe around 2 centimeters, give or take. I'm going to push the period on my keypad to zoom in. But the idea is that this little staple that I was doing is just a centimeter or two long. And I'm not measuring it at the moment, but I at least would like to be close. So we'll call that scale okay.